So, what you may have partially answered this question, but for the parents who have kids in the growing age and the developing age, what are some of the things they can do daily that can have the biggest positive impact on brain development?
Again, Ahmed, you're asking very good questions. First thing, be a very good observer
Mm,
and respond to your kids' needs. So if a child needs something, I don't think we should wait, because if we let him cry, then the child is going to learn that nobody listens to me in this house. So respond to them, talk to them, fulfill their needs. And then the other thing, the child needs tender, loving care. They need hugging, they need cuddling, and then we need to look into their eyes and then play with them. If they are in the age of reading, read with them every day. It
mm,
creates a very positive bonding between parents and the kids. And nutrition is very important, because
mm,
eventually the brain is a matter. It
mm,
is made of some substance, and you need proper nutrition to build the brain. And then the adults have to let child explore things. So if he wants to eat and he just put everything on his face, let him do it. So if he
mm,
creates a mess, that's okay, fine. He's learning. And then if he's taking time in doing things, so as a parent, sometimes it's hard, but that's what child needs.
Give them the time to do whatever,
Yeah.
because we usually jump in, let me fix it, and
Yeah.
don't waste time. We have to go somewhere and we have to be somewhere.
Yeah.
So yeah, give them time to do things at their own pace.